Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial to find the second most frequent character in a string. Let's look at the problem statement. Given a string, find the second most frequent character in it. Let's look at some examples. If the input string is AAB, ABA, BA, then the second most frequent character is B. If the input string is Geeks for Geeks, then the second most frequent character is G. If the input string is Geeks Quiz, then the second most frequent character is G. And the output can be any character with count 1 like Z or I, etc. And if the input string is ABCD, then there is no second most frequent character. Let's look at the solution. A simple solution is to start from the first character, count its occurrences, then second character, and so on. While counting these occurrences, keep the track of the max and the second max element. The time complexity of this solution is order n square. We can solve this problem in order n using hashing. We will create a count array with size equal to 256, assuming that the characters are stored in ASCII format. Let's have a look at the implementation. First, we create a count array with size equal to 256. This array keeps the count of individual characters and we initialize the array as 0. Then, we traverse through the input string and we do count of string I plus plus, that is, increase the count of the ith character of the string by 1. Now our count array is filled and we will traverse through the count array and find the second highest element. We initialize first is equal to 0 and second is equal to 0, where first is the maximum element and second is the second highest element. Now, if the current element is greater than the first element, then we set second is equal to first and first is equal to I, the current index. Now, if the current element is greater than the second element but lesser than the first element, then we set second element to be the current element. Finally, we return second, which is the second most frequent character in the string. Since there are only single loops in which we traverse through the string, the time complexity of this solution is order n. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.